and welcome to Math Easy. I know most of us have memorized this formula for calculating the area of a rectangle, which is length times width. But did you ever stop to ask yourself, why do we multiply the length and the width? Why don't we add the dimensions to the length plus width? There is a reason behind this formula, and in this video we are going to uncover the simple logic behind it. To understand why we multiply, we need to know what area really means. So the area of any shape is just the total space inside that shape measured in little squares. So if, for instance, we have a tiler that is to tile this rectangular floor that measures, okay, let's say the length is equal to 5 meters and the width is equal to 3 meters. What the tiler needs is the number of tiles that will fit into this floor, right? And that is the area of the floor. Okay, so what this 5 means here, saying that we can fit 5 tiles in a single row. So let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This 3 is telling us that we can have 3 of these. So we have 1, 2, and then 3. So what do? We now calculate the squares inside this space. And we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the first row. The second row, we count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the third row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that gives us 5. So to calculate the total squares, we are going to add up these numbers. So we have 5 plus 5 plus 5. This is what? Repeated addition. And repeated addition is also called multiplication. So we can either have it as 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15, or we have it as 5 times 3, since we have 3 rows, to have 5 times 3, which is also equal to 15. So in essence, this tiler needs 15 tiles to fit into this space. So now you see the formula length times width is just a clever shortcut for counting every single square inside this rectangle. Now let's see what happens if we try to calculate the area by adding 5 and 3. So because we are adding, this 5 here is only telling us the dimension of these edges. So 5 meters, we know that the dimensions are equal, right? So it's telling us that we should consider this bottom line. And then this 3 meters is also telling us to measure the edges. So we are going to have it as this. This is 2, this is 3. So if we count, we are going to have it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. What about this remaining space? Addition excludes it. So only multiplication allows us to count every square inside the shape. So when you add up the length and the width, all you have done is counting only this L shape. This small L shape along the bottom and the side of the shape, excluding this chunk. The next time you see this formula, area is equal to length times width, remember it is not a random rule, but a logical shortcut for all the square units that fill a space. I hope this helps you to see why we multiply the length and the width to find the area of a rectangle. If you have any more math mysteries you want me to solve, kindly drop them in the comments below. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to Math Easy. I will see you next time. Bye.